Hello everyone, this is the Case Breakers. Tonight we're coming at you with a random for a one box break of 2013 Momentum Football. All names have been entered into random.org. We're going to randomize it 6 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Going to allow the guys a few minutes in the room to do some trades if they like. Will, I gotta allow the link. Sorry about that, buddy. Hold on. Link it again. Alright, everyone, here are your teams. Arizona Cardinals, Brent M. Atlanta Falcons, Dave D. Baltimore Ravens, Jason M. Buffalo Bills, Dave D. Carolina Panthers, Ryan M. Chicago Bears, Jason M. Cincinnati Bengals, Dave D. Cleveland Browns, Dave D. Dallas Cowboys, Will Hen. Denver Broncos, Brent M. Detroit Lions, Brandon L. Green Bay Packers, Ryan M. Houston Texans, Michael W. Indianapolis Colts, Dave D. Jacksonville Jaguars, Ryan M. Kansas City Chiefs, Dave D. Miami Dolphins, Jason M. Minnesota Vikings, Ryan M. New England Patriots, Dave D. New Orleans Saints, Dave D. New York Giants, Will Hen. New York Jets, Ryan M. Oakland Raiders, Ryan M. Philadelphia Eagles, Michael W. Pittsburgh Steelers, Dave D. San Diego Chargers, Ryan M. San Francisco 49ers, Dave D. Seattle Seahawks, Ryan M. St. Louis Rams, Ryan M. Tampa Bay Buccaneers, Jason M. Tennessee Titans, Ryan M. And Washington Redskins, Brandon L. There you have it, guys. Don't forget to check us out, www.thecasebreakers.com, and follow us on Twitter at thecasebreakers.